हैमर्स यानी जो धमाके की वजह से जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस का पुलिस स्टेशन गिर गया है, उसको मलबे को हटाने के लिए SDRF की टीम यहाँ पे पहुंची है। पहले उसको सैनिटाइज करके वहाँ ये सुनिश्चित किया जाएगा कि कोई एक्सप्लोजन तो नहीं, और उसके बाद यहाँ पे उस स्लैब को तोड़ के नीचे देखने की कोशिश होगी कि कहीं कोई और फंसा तो नहीं है। लेकिन मैं बता दूं कि कुल मिला के जिस तरीके से ये धमाके जाते हैं, चाहे वो फॉरेंसिक जांच के लिए भेजने हो या फिर सबूत के तौर पर जगह किए जा रहे हो, मैजिस्ट्रेट के सामने किए जा रहे हैं। इसीलिए तहसीलदार और नायब तहसीलदार यहाँ मौजूद।
Most of the window frames of the house have been damaged and destroyed because of this reason. But what we have been told by the sources is that at about 10 a.m., Director General of Police Lalit Babak is going to address media, because so far there has been closed parts of the country. It was on 18th of October that some of the posters that appeared in that area where Jaish-e Mohammed was trying to threaten security force person. And during the course of the investigation, they started looking at the CCTV footage. And while they were scanning the CCTV footage, they were able to identify 3 overgrown persons. They were able to arrest them. And during the course of the investigation, they finally were able to nab Irfan Ahmed Bhage and Larry who was working for the mosque nearby. Later on, during the course of the investigation, they found that his